You did everything right. You built the website, you invested in traffic, you polished your product, people are coming. They're clicking, they're browsing, and then they leave. No sale, no sign up, no action, just gone. Why? Here's the truth most people don't want to admit. It's not your product. It's not your pricing. It's not even your marketing. It's friction. Tiny, invisible barriers between curiosity and conversion. A button that's unclear, a checkout that takes too long, a layout that doesn't feel right. Every second of confusion costs you money. Every moment of hesitation loses you a customer. And the worst part, you don't even see it happening. They don't complain, they don't explain, they just disappear. And they go straight to your competitor, the one who made it easier. But what if you could change that instantly? What if your website didn't just attract visitors, but converted them? What if every click felt, you convert more visitors into customers, significantly? This is what happens when accessibility compliance works for you, instead of against you. No confusion, no friction, no second guessing. Just smooth, intuitive flow from first click to completed purchase. Think about this for a moment. How much traffic are you paying for right now? How many people are almost buying, but don't? How many opportunities slip through your fingers every single day? That's not just lost revenue. That's lost momentum, lost growth, lost potential. You feel it. Something's off. You know your offer is good, but the results don't match the effort. And you're right. The problem isn't you. It's the experience you're giving your visitors. Non-accessibility compliance. Let's break it down. Conversion isn't magic. It's psychology, plus accessibility and inclusivity. When people land on your site, they're asking 4 questions instantly. 1. Do they understand me, my disability, needs? 2. Do I trust this? 3. Is this website easy to navigate? 4. Is this website accessibility compliant? If the answer to any of those is no, they leave. Or worse, your site could be reported to the authorities in violation for non-accessibility compliance. Can you imagine how much costly that to you? Understanding off, trust off, ease off, sale gone. But when all 4 are aligned, something powerful happens. They stay longer, they explore more, they buy faster, they feel valued. Here's what happens when accessibility is optimized the right way. Navigation becomes intuitive, decisions become easier, actions become obvious. No guesswork, just results. Are you ready to increase revenue through accessibility and inclusivity? Contact us today before your competitors quickly target your visitors for being accessibility compliant. Don't delay, do it now, and we'll see you on the other side.